Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chano timo limbe piny Amerka kochakore wuok tich mar Jumani. Ruto igeno ni biro timo limbe ma Atlanta, Georgia. Hemko mar kar somo mar jatend piny miluongo ni the Carter Presidential Library e kind kuonde mamoko. Limbe jatelono biro geto manyo thuolo mag ohala kod tego winjruok e kind Kenya kod piny mar Amerka.
I'll now go to the itinerary, starting tomorrow in Atlanta, Georgia. President Ruto's visit will commence there. He'll visit the Carter Presidential Library and Museum to emphasize the two countries' shared commitment to governance, democratic values, and anti-corruption efforts. The President will then visit Ebenezer Baptist Church to pay homage to the civil rights struggle and emphasize how religion can be a force for good. The third area of engagement tomorrow, that is on Monday 20th, in Atlanta, Georgia, will focus on the U.S.-Kenya Health Partnership at the Center for Disease Control, CDC headquarters. Among key announcements will include the new CDC-KEMRI partnership. On Tuesday, still in Atlanta, Georgia, the President commences his second day at Spelman College, where he will discuss the critical role of higher education, particularly science and technology, in enhancing Kenya's human capital development, which is critical to attracting investment that solidify Kenya as an appealing destination for tech jobs for both present and future needs.
There will be huge emphasis on trade and investment, and in particular in the area of trade, as you know, the framework market differential terms is lapsing next year.